What's up, my reseller friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina. I thrift to resell on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I'm a part-time reseller, and I'm back with another Come Ship With Me video. So basically, I'm going to do my shipping. I'm going to invite you along with me, and I'm just going to talk reselling along the way. So let's go ahead and ship. The first item is this little kitten plush. This is a Cocoa surprise, I believe. Don't ask me about what it is because I don't really know. The funny story about this plush is that I was at a yard sale and they were doing like a bag full of plush for $5. So I was stuffing it with plush, and but then I bought other things too. I just kind of made a pile, and somehow along the way this little plush got stuck to something. I didn't pick it out, but it like really wanted to come with me, so it found a way to attach itself to me, and I didn't realize till like after I paid, and I was like, oh no, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to like take that little cat. And then the person was like, oh no, you could just have it. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll just take it. And then he ended up selling, and I listed him for $8.99 plus $4.36 in shipping. It's looking like this is going to cost me $4.11 to ship. I'm going to go ahead and put it inside one of my bread bags. Oh, excuse me. So funny thing about my bread bags is I just went to Walmart today. So I hate going to Walmart. It's like, sorry, where's my tape? Oh, here it is. I hate going to Walmart. It's like the worst store in the whole world. But it's the best place to buy these types of bags. I've searched high and low for a better deal, and I just haven't been able to find a better deal than 100 of them for $3.70 or something like that. I want to say that they cost. This was my last box, so I had to go to Walmart today, and I bought every single box that they had on the shelf, which I think was 11 of them. So I stock up on these because I hate going to Walmart. So when I go, I always buy out whatever they have on the shelf. So I'm stocked up for a while. Hopefully I won't have to go for another 6 months or so, maybe longer, because I was able to get a few more than I usually do. Okay, next item is going to be this little Tinkerbell doll. It's just a little toy. It ended up selling for $4.99 plus $4.36 in shipping. It's looking like it's going to cost me $4.36 to ship, which is exactly what the buyer was charged. I got this in a bag, like a grab bag of a bunch of little toys, and I listed it last month, so it was a fairly quick sale. I am going to ship her because she's got parts that seem to be kind of delicate, like her wings. So I'm going to ship her in a box. Oh no. So the size box that I need is all the way up there. Do I ship it in this box and be lazy? Or do I pause this video and go up there and grab the boxes? Someone's texting me. Okay, I'm just gonna go grab the boxes. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, 4x4x4 boxes. I figured I'm gonna have to eventually get them down. I might as well just do it now. It is Sunday afternoon. Church was long today. I'm so tired. I didn't get good sleep last night. I'm just feeling so lazy. Just a lazy kind of day. Okay. All right, next item is some vinyls. So I thought that this would be like a great opportunity, and it really is. One of the main reasons why I decided to film right now is because I actually wanted to talk to you about vinyls. So I was at an estate sale I think I got a paper cut getting those boxes down. I was at an estate sale and I bought a whole bin. It was like this long of vinyls, and it was $20 for the whole thing, or it was like $1 per vinyl, or $20, take it all. And I was like, I'm taking it all. And I'm gonna tell you, or I'm gonna give you some advice if you're new to reselling and there's certain categories that you want to start to get into, but you feel kind of intimidated, you're not too sure on what types of things to pick up. I'm going to tell you that the best way to learn about a new category is just to list the stuff. So when you're at yard sales, like let's just say you do want to learn about selling vinyl. When you go and you see somebody selling vinyls, offer them a price to buy all the vinyls. You want to learn about stuffed animals, go to yard sales and be like, how much for all your stuffed animals? Bring them home. Once you have them in your hands and you're looking up comps, there's no other way to like really learn something as well as that. Because I'm going to tell you, you'll never make the mistake of buying something again that's not worth anything or not worth it to you to sell. So that really wasn't what I was trying to accomplish though with these vinyls. It was just like $20. I haven't really listed any vinyls in a while. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. And I have a pile of vinyl boxes that have just been sitting in my closet, and they've been accumulating and just like growing and growing. Me and my husband buy a lot of vinyls. We're really big music fans. We buy lots of vinyl. So I have so many vinyl boxes. And then back in like 2019, I had bought a bunch of vinyls to resell. And then during that time, I had bought in some vinyl boxes. Like I bought like 50 of them and I only am using like 20 of them, I think. And yeah, so I was like left over with like, I have so many vinyl boxes. So I'm just like, I gotta use those boxes anyways. Like I just keep saying, oh no, you know, they're gonna get used, but then I never buy vinyl. So I was just like, no, I'm gonna buy some vinyls. But I will warn everybody though, those vinyl boxes can be expensive. So if you're thinking of buying vinyls to resell, just keep that in mind, that you can ship a medium mail, which is cool. You'll save money on that, but the boxes could end up costing you a couple of extra dollars per box. So just think about that first. So what I ended up doing was I went through the whole bin and I looked up comps on all of the vinyls. First of all, I put them into, I just spread them out and I like divided them and I put them into like categories. And like if there was any that were of the same artist, I put all those together. And anything that went with something, I ended up listing those together in lots because I don't want to list all these vinyls like by themselves. So I ended up listing probably about like 12 of the vinyls by themselves. And I've already sold maybe like 5 or 6 of them. And this was just a couple weeks ago. Everything else was in like bundles of vinyls. So this is one of them. This is a bundle. This is Super Gold Hits. So there was 2 different ones. And this lot sold for $14.99 plus the cost of shipping. And I'm going to show you the way that I ship them. I just use one of these sheets of packing paper. And then I just kind of fold it like this, and then I'm going to tape it. And then I'm going to fold it in two on both sides, kind of like I'm wrapping a Christmas gift. And then I just have one of my vinyl boxes that I'm going to use. And I definitely recommend you using a vinyl box to ship your vinyls. Just trust me when I say that that's a smart idea. Don't try to go all cheap on it. If these aren't shipped in a vinyl box, they can get damaged pretty easily. So. I'm just gonna double check the weight on this one. I had on here that it weighs 2 pounds, but let's see. Yep. And somebody asked me once, how come I don't put in the dimensions when I'm doing my shipping? And it's because I already do it when I make the listing. I put the dimensions in already, so I don't have to do it when the item sells. Sometimes I do have to change it though if I end up not shipping it in what I think that I was going to ship it in. Next is this A's minor league jersey. My friend had brought me a bin of a bunch of like free stuff that she had picked up, and it was full of these minor league jerseys, full of them. And I was like, the good thing about it though was that, I don't know, I would say there was maybe about 30 of them. But out of the 30, there was probably only 5 different style of jerseys or less. No, I think it was about 5. So I didn't have to make 30 listings. I only had to make like 5 listings and then just put like the different sizes in there. And what I did was I was like, I just want to sell these fast because I got so many of them. So I'm just doing $9.99 a piece plus shipping. And these have been selling really well. I think I only have like 4 left. And when did we list these? Oh, it doesn't say. I want to say it was probably like 4 months ago. So that's not too bad. Yeah, so I charged $5.25 for shipping. But it's only going to cost me $4.68 to ship. And a thing to keep in mind, I don't like to always charge exactly how much it's going to cost to ship. I like to make a little bit of extra money. Sometimes I end up charging the buyer exactly what it costs to ship. Sometimes I end up making a little bit of money too, and on rare occasions I lose money, but that's very, very rare because I'm pretty good at putting in the right pricing. But the reason why it's always good to try to make a little bit of extra money on shipping is because when eBay charges you fees, they charge you fees on your shipping too as well. So if you're charging exactly what it costs you to ship, so if you do calculated shipping, you're losing money on shipping because you're also getting charged those fees. So that's just something to keep in mind. So those are going to be all my eBay sales. Today is Sunday. Normally when I do my shipping on Sunday, it's usually a little slow. I don't get very many orders. Well, the thing is that I do get a lot of orders on Sunday morning because I notice that like normally when I'm at church in the morning, I'll see like sales coming through. But on Saturday, like evenings, I don't get a lot of sales. Which, I mean, it totally makes sense, right? People are online shopping more on Sunday morning than they are on Saturday evening. I mean, that's normal. I'm just going to go ahead and put these labels on. Hope everybody's having a great month of sales. We're at the end of the month now. Welcome to Q4, you guys. We made it. I have high expectations for Q4. Okay, now I'm going to do Poshmark and Mercari. So this ornament sold on Mercari. I just started listing my ornaments a couple days ago. I listed about 18 ornaments and I've already sold 2 of them. Now's the time to start getting the Christmas things up, guys. It's that time. They're gonna start to, as you get closer to Christmas, all the Christmas stuff is gonna start to pick up. It's a Chuck E. Cheese, a vintage 80s Chuck E. Cheese ornament. This sold on Mercari for $24. I had it listed for $30. Someone sent me that offer for $24 and I accepted it. And since this is a little bit of a more valuable ornament, I am going to wrap it up in some cardboard. I don't feel like this is something that could break. It doesn't feel that delicate, but just because it is a little bit of a more expensive ornament, and the fact that it's vintage, I'm just going to take that little extra step and add some cardboard. It's not going to make a difference in shipping cost or anything, so it just doesn't hurt. The only thing is that it just takes a little bit of extra time to do these little steps, right? But putting in that extra time to have good quality shipping in the long run could actually save you more time, because you're not dealing with, and you don't have to deal with problems with something wrong with the order. This one also sold on Mercari. It's Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas. This is a Disney Parks plush. I bought it at a thrift store for $2. I ended up selling it for $10 plus the cost of shipping. And since it's sold on Mercari, I don't have any fees. And it was a very quick sale. See, I use these bread bags for everything. I don't know if I would survive without my bread bags. That's Mercari. Now Poshmark, I sold another Stranger Things House Fire Club t-shirt. You probably saw this other one on my last video. I told you I was listing a bunch of Stranger Things shirts. I said that the one on my last video that sold was my husband's. That was actually my daughter's shirt, because that one was the medium, this one's the large, so this one's my husband's. And it sold for $8. And it sold very quickly. Last Poshmark sale are these pants right here. This is from Abercrombie and Fitch. Did I say that right? I never shopped there, even though that was super popular when I was a teenager. These pants are vegan leather. They're straight leg, and they were new with tags. I got them at a yard sale. It was fill a bag for $5. So I mean, I'm probably like, I don't know, maybe like 50 cents into this. I don't know, quarter, 50 cents. I listed it on eBay, and then I cross-posted it the day after I listed it on eBay, and it sold the day that I cross-posted it. So it sold very quickly, less than 48 hours. And that's going to be it. Those are all my sales. I hope you found this video helpful or useful in any way. If you did, please like this video. It will just really help me out a lot, and it will help other people find my channel as well too, and maybe they'll get some tips to help them out too. Well, everybody, I hope you have a great beginning of Q4. Now's the time. Let's get all of our stuff listed. Get all your holiday stuff listed right away. It's that time. It's going to start selling, and there's great things ahead. God is good. Work hard, and your hard work will be rewarded. And never forget that when you thrift upon a star, all your dreams will come true. I'll see you next time. Bye.